Hi, I'm Billy Graham. I'm here to show you how to use the 5-Star XTREME gun cleaner. Every can of 5-Star XTREME gun cleaner comes with a bushing assembly. If it didn't, please contact your supplier. The package comes with 2 pieces to the bushing assembly, a white piece and a black piece. Just put them together. Take off your cap, take off the spray nozzle, put the bushing assembly on the can, and now you're ready to clean your gun. Take your dirty gun, invert the can, place it on the paint opening, depress the trigger to the gun, and force the paint through. After cleaning the inside of the gun, take the black piece off. Now you can spray the outside. Wipe it with a lint-free cloth. I've shown you how to do the standard gun. Now if you have a SATA or a gun with the quarter turn lip on it, take the black piece off the can, insert it so the collar goes under that lip, then insert the can to it, depress your trigger, and force the dirty paint through. Allow your gun to completely dry before returning it to use. With 5-Star XTREME gun cleaner, you can be confident that your gun will be paint residue free. 5-Star XTREME, just shoot it.